we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Gladys here. Today I wanted to speak to you guys about our third floor family room. Guys, this place is divided into three, which is our dining table, which you're looking at, or what is it called, family room, where we sit down and watch TV, and our gaming sector, which is still on its way. So far we have one item there, and I will show you guys what that is. But this is our dining room section, guys. When you walk upstairs, it's the first thing you see. I decided to remove the curtain that were here before and added this beautiful dark moody curtains. I can't wait for fall and winter for me to utilize these. I love the way it makes the space very cozy. Before, we couldn't even sit and eat here. I'll show you guys what it looked like before. Now we are sitting down, we are enjoying. I love my chairs and table from IKEA. I just love the simplicity. Everything here, most of the things, guys, are thrifted, and I will let you guys know everything down the description below, guys.
Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Next to the dining room tables and chairs, I have my IKEA BESTA cabinet, which is the darker one than the one I have downstairs. This was bought secondhand, guys. Forgive me for the fingerprints. This is a real life scenario. My kids are up here all the time, so you're going to see little fingerprints everywhere. But I got this from Facebook Marketplace secondhand. I love it. It helps me keep all the clutter intact, and I don't have to think about things being misplaced because I know where everything is going up here. Welcome to our family room section, guys. I love the fact that we don't have any tables in the middle of the chairs and sofa. I love the fact that we can come here, sit down, have movie night, enjoy ourselves. I just love it. The cabinet that you're looking at right now was not this color before. It was very farmhouse white, which I have gone and painted, and I love how everything turned out. This is what it looked like before. I went in and I used the same paint color that I had used in my fireplace downstairs, and this is how it turned out. I love it. I love keeping everything here visual, clutter free, simple. So I went in and turned on some candles just to, warm up the space. And then I also added those two light that you see on the side, which I love. It just made this place very cozy. Now my chairs, guys, these chairs are from Facebook Marketplace. I love the fact that they're a little the green velvet color. It's just really pretty in my opinion. I just love the modern and traditional look of them, and I really like this, and it looks so beautiful in Christmas time. I can't wait to have my Christmas tree here, but it's beautiful. I love this cream sofa. I love the bright color of it. Even though this sofa was not a second-hand sofa, I got it at Macy's, but it was on sale. It was a floor model. It was half of the price. I just love the modern, clean look of it. It's really pretty, and the kids, we jump here, have fun here. It's really beautiful in my opinion, and this was from Macy's. For me, since this is our family room, I truly wanted this to be a place we can call a family room. So I decided to transform this wall. I went to IKEA. I got myself, I don't know how to pronounce this, the Roldam picture frames, and I love them. My brother-in-law came one night, helped me install, measure everything, make sure that it's not crooked. And then I did my little magic by printing some pictures from Walmart. And with the kids, we had a little date time and added everything on the wall. And it was really, really fun. We got some pictures that are very important to us on Christmas and fall, and this is exactly how it turned out to be. And it just brought the family part in this family room. And I love the picture light. It's magnetic on top of there, and it's also it has a remote control access. And I will do a totally separate video on this, but this turned out to be so pretty. Guys, this is your house. Make it as most comfortably as you could ever be. It doesn't matter if you're a minimalist or maximalist, something that brings you joy and that you love, and that's all that matters. And that's what I tend to try to do here, for the kids to be comfortable, happy, to be at peace when he comes home, to know this is where we go and enjoy. Now, this is our popcorn machine, and I'm gonna put a little video how we were using it for the very first time. It brought us so much joy in here, and I can't wait to add everything else here, like the gaming sections and everything like that. The kids are super excited. Enjoy the rest of the video, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. God bless you guys. Stay tuned for more videos coming your way every Friday. Take care. Bye-bye.